What's up, everybody? We're here at Montgomery County Preserve Spring Creek Greenway. Got my trusty bag here. Unfortunately, Ruby's not feeling too good, so she didn't want to, get up or do anything today. So she was like, I'm gonna be lazy, I'm gonna hibernate. So I get it. But follow me and let's go see. Hey everyone, right now we're at the upper part of where the two creeks actually start to meet. So we're in the last bit of Panther Branch. So I don't know if you can see that from here. I'm gonna really try and zoom in. But there is, I like to call them tree ghosts because they're plastic bags just stuck into the branches there. A little bit of trash over there in the distance as well. I don't know if you can see it way down there where the two rivers actually conjoin and meet together, but there's something over there. It's not nature, but we've already got a lot of trash so far. We've caught a fake vine. That's been pretty interesting. A couple of cans, plastic bottles, and some plumbing too. That was odd to see. All right, so it's about to become dark out. So I'm going to come back here. It was quite a trek getting all the way from the parking lot over to here. So it was exhausting. So I'm gonna come back here, but just to kind of give you an idea of what's around here. There's a lot of momentum coming from both of these rivers. This is the Panther Branch, and that over there is the Spring Creek. And when they merge into a greater portion of Spring Creek. But that's my bag. But you see here, it's a great collection point for so many things. Plastics, for sure, food containers, wrappers. They all get collected within this mess of beach and vegetation. So it pretty much acts like a filter. Now everything gets trapped in here. Natural things like wood as well, but not so natural things like aluminum cans. But I don't know if you can see all the way over there. But we'll get to that. We'll see. There is a big orange cooler over there, so we'll get to that as well. But we'll pick it up tomorrow. But just wanted to give you guys an idea of what we're working with. This is Trash Raiders. Remember to like and subscribe. See ya.